Dielectric inserted or removed. Now what you do? Dielectric inserted, battery inserted or case number 2, battery connected or dielectric inserted. Case 2. Battery connected or dielectric. Battery connected, dielectric inserted. Dielectric inserted. Let us take capacitor. First case before. What is this capacitor? Plus charge. Minus. Battery is connected. Plus charge. This is minus charge. Before, what is happening? Charge is Q0. Here, battery connected, dielectric is inserted. Here, capacitor is, voltage is constant, potential is constant here in this case. Battery connected or dielectric inserted, then you know voltage or potential is constant. Q is equal to Q0, C is equal to C0. Right? Then V is equal to V0. Then what? E is equal to EI is equal to E0. From this, energy is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by 2 C V0 square. From next to after dielectric inserted. Initial. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ after that the battery removing, then ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ಯಾಟರಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ dielectric ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. dielectric ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೆ ನ ಇನ್ಸರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Q ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? Q C ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? K times increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. C Kc0. V remains constant. E decreases by K. Then energy will become 1 by 2 CV square, right? What is wrong with that? Or derivative 1 by 2 CV square. What is here? C Q is equal to, what is one more formula? V is equal to no?
Q by C.
Q is equal to VC. So Q ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ? EQ VC times R. V ಅಂದ್ರೆ C ಅಂದ್ರೆ K times increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So you have to write V into K times C naught ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. Right. Now V is equal to 1 by 2 ಯಾವುದು? V constant. C ಅಂದ್ರೆ K times C naught into V square. ಎಷ್ಟು increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ battery connected dielectric instrument, what is the constant? V is the constant. This is the condition. Capacitor and resistors. Up to now what we discussed now about capacitors, everywhere resistor is present, but we are not mentioned. mentioned capacitor ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದರಲ್ಲೂ resistors ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, resistor ಜೊತೆ capacitor ನ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Let us take capacitor, resistor is connected with battery switch is closed. Let us take two cases. This is resistors, this is capacitor. See, capacitor. Now we will discuss two cases. Initially means still not only started flow of charges. So that is what T is equal to 0. Time of T is equal to 0. So not only started means, so Q is equal to like charge is equal not only transferred, Q is equal to 0. From Ohm's law, I is equal to delta V by R. Charge flow ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ 0. From capacitor, delta V is equal to what? Q by C. Delta V is equal to Q by C. Q ಏನೈತೆ 0. 0 by C is 0. From Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. Initial case ಒಳಗ ಟೈಮ್ T ಇನ್ನ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ Q is equal to 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. From capacitor formula, delta V is equal to Q by C. Q 0 ಆದರೆ ಇದನ್ನು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. This is first condition, initial condition. Second condition, after time T, Q is equal to Q, then V is equal to potential difference is equal to Q by C. Q is equal to Q. V is equal to Q by C sometimes. Then I is equal to V by R. V ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Potential difference. Potential difference ಏನು? First V ಇತ್ತು minus Q ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Q by C minus Q by C divided by R. ಇದು ಯಾವಾಗಿದು? After some time. T time ಆಗ. After T is equal to infinity. After T is equal to infinity ಅಂದ್ರೆ full time. ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. Fully charged. Now V is equal to Q by C only. Q is equal to C into V. Fully charged capacitor. Q is equal to C into V. I is equal to what? V minus Q by C by R. Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ Q ಅಂದ್ರೆ C by C divided by R. C cancel. V minus V 0. 0 by R not defined. 0 by R 0 0 ಕೆಳಗೆ not defined. ಮೇಲಿದ್ರೆ 0. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗೋಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ I ಏನಿರುತ್ತಾ V by R at initial position. ಆಮೇಲೆ at after some time I is equal to V minus Q by ಎಷ್ಟು ಪೊಟೆನ್ಶಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಸ್ಟೆಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸ್ಟೆಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ after fully charged capacitor. After fully charged capacitor, current will become 0. This is what three conditions, right? You remember this condition. T is equal to 0. T is equal to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ initial time ನಾಗ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So it become there is no capacitor. there is no capacitor. It will be like there is no capacitor. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಈ ತರ. So in this case what is I? Ohm's law again. I is equal to
delta V by R.
V by R. Delta V by R. Change the potential by R. Second case steady state. Steady state. Steady state means T is equal to infinity. T is equal to infinity reached means this is also called as short circuit. T is equal to infinity. Here the capacitor will become open circuit. Once it is fully charged, capacitor will become open circuit. Open circuit. This current is I. Here resistance is in open circuit. Current is 0. These two conditions. Here initially I is equal to V by R ಅಂತ steady state open circuit ಆದ್ರೆ current 0. That's all. This one sir. Now there is a question. Two resistors are connected. One battery is connected, capacitor is connected. You have to find the current I1 and I2 in each resistor R1 and R2 at T is equal to two conditions. At T is equal to 0 and T is equal to steady state. Steady state means T is equal to infinity. That is what one more name open circuit. This is what short circuit. First case T is equal to 0 on short circuit. For this no problem. Here R is equal to I is equal to parallel connection. Parallel connection voltage is the same. I is equal to V by R1. I is equal to V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2. How is it? Short circuit T is equal to 1. Second case naga T is equal to infinity or steady state. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತದೆ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕನೆಕ್ಟರ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಕೇಸ್ ನಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು I1 is equal to V by R1. There is no capacitor. V is equal to I by R1. Here this will become open circuit. First this one become open circuit. So this one become open circuit. R2. So I2 will become I2. Open circuit means 0. This case. Our case naga alli eradaga I1 is equal to V by I1 is equal to V by R1. I2 is equal to V by R2. In this case I1 is equal to V by R1. There is no capacitor. Here capacitor is become open circuit. I2 is equal to 0.